How to sign in into your Netflix account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today in this video I'll let you guys know the ways to sign in into your Netflix account. In order to sign in into your Netflix account, you'll need to follow the steps. First of all, you need to install it. So go to the Play Store and on the search box you want to type in Netflix and click the open button or click the install button. After which you'll be taken to the home page that's gonna ask you to type in your credential, which includes entering your email or a phone number and then a password. So basically go ahead and enter in the information, and once you're done entering the information, click the sign in button and you'll be taken to the home page indicating that you've successfully logged into your account. So this is the way you could sign in into your Netflix account. And likewise, if you don't have an account, then just click the sign up button and register yourself. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.